Now that we've got FOSUserBundle installed, we're going to go over setting up the default templates. To see how they come by default, if you click on go into your vendor directory and then Friends of Symfony, and then go into your user bundle, and then come down into the resource directory, and then you'll see the views, and then from there you'll see profile, and then these are the templates, and here's registration, here's the another template, and here's security template. So there's only a few of them here that we really want to override. Mostly the ones that have content in them. These are the ones that we're going to override. So in Symfony 4.1, overriding templates is done a little bit different from version 3. In your templates directory, what you're going to do is you're going to create another directory, and we're going to call it bundles. Now inside your bundles, and then you're going to create another directory. You're going to call it the bundle name. Now Symfony 4.1 does not use the directory views or view, so we're basically going to create the first override. So if you go back to your vendor directory, the first override we're going to do is we're going to do the override on profile. So go ahead and create a new folder, and we'll call it profile. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the contents. We're going to go ahead and start with the edit. So we got edit content HTML, and I've already got some changes to mine, so I'm just going to create a new file. Okay, so this file we're going to save as okay, so this is the only thing that's different from this and the default is I added an H1, so I've added just a title. You can basically, change anything you want in here, and it'll take effect. I'm going to go ahead and save that, and we're going to do the rest of them. So be back in a minute. And again, we're going to create another file. And then this one we're going to call it show content. Paste in the content. I've added a couple of things, like for example, I added the title profile, and then I put a link in to edit the profile, and these are all just using the routes for FOS. Now a second ago I talked about the route. So if you open up your SSH terminal, and then we can see what the routes are available for FOS. Okay, so the command debug router will display all of the routes in Symfony. So here are the new routes from the user bundle. So here are the names. So this is where I got those names, and I put them in Twig. So you can link these names in Twig, and it'll do these different routes that are set up. And we're just going to continue creating the additional directories. And again, these are all coming from that vendor directory, so just it's easy just to copy and paste and then make your changes. I'm copying over the changes that I've already made prior. I believe this is the last one. Actually, there's one more after this. The last one is pretty much the glue. So now let's go ahead and minimize these directories. So under your FOSUserBundle, let's go ahead and create a new file. And this is going to be called layout.html.twig. Alright, so we're going to extend our base.html.twig, and then this is the block body that FOSUserBundle uses. So this is what's going to marry everything together. Now if we go back and we can see the register page is actually using our template. The login page is using our template. We're currently not logged in and your system is working.